Hi, I've gotten a lot of questions about how SEO works, and so I just thought I'd go ahead and throw together this video to give you guys a brief overview of how SEO works, kind of give you an analogy that helps you understand what it does and what it doesn't do. And so let's go ahead and jump right in and we'll get started. Alright, so to answer the question of how SEO works, we basically have to go back and look at what exactly SEO is. SEO works by taking a look at your website and setting it up to target specific search phrases. So when someone goes to Google and types in what type of toothbrush is best for me, well, that depends. Do you have specific type of teeth? Do you have certain sensitivity? Do your gums bleed? Whatever that is. So basically what SEO does is SEO works as a referral system for the digital age. You know how whenever you have referrals, people talk about you and they tell people how great you are and how wonderful you are. Well, a search engine like Google doesn't have that. They don't have a way of talking to people and getting people's experience and understanding how good you are, unless you're doing like Google My Business or your Google profile where they give you a star rating. And then that's great. But with SEO, we're talking about your website. So what they do is they rely on how you mention your website and the specific search phrases that you're really knowledgeable on. And so you put those keywords in there and you put those title tags showing, yeah, these are the keywords that I'm really relevant for. This is what we do. So you should really rank us for this. And so the search engine looks at it and says, okay, well, thank you for that information. But then if somebody comes to your website, looks at it and says, okay, this isn't what I was looking for. I was looking for a face painter. And so they leave your site. Well, the search engines look at that and they say, okay, well, these people bounced off the site as soon as they got there. They apparently didn't find what they were looking for. And so there are different things within the algorithm that tell them, okay, yes, your site is relevant, or no, your site isn't relevant. So if they go into your website and they stay there for a while, they watch a video, they read through your content, they click on a form to go to another page to submit a question, well then they realize, okay, well they stayed a while, they looked at other pages on the website, and so these people must really be covering the content really well. And so that's another way that search engine optimization works to improve your authority in Google's eyes. And so in addition to that, Google, not as much, but they do also use backlinks. Backlinks are links that go from another person's website to your website. So they're saying, hey, I am saying that these people are a recommended resource and that you should really check them out. And so if you have a bunch of different websites linking to you saying, yes, you're the authority on this topic, then Google's going to say, oh, okay, they're the authority on the topic. Got it. And so that is, in a basic approach, how SEO works. And so if you have any questions on that, or you just want to talk more on about it, feel free to go to my website and send me a contact, or you can reach me on social media through Wellness Marketing. Other than that, feel free to leave comments down below and share this video with anyone that you think might find this interesting. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next Friday.